Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasic. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to Uber driver delivery account. If you are a delivery driver on Uber and you'd like to access your account, then the process is quite easy. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser and then in the URL box type in uber.com and search. This will now take you to the official website for uber.com. Once you get to the main homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner. In the options displayed on the screen, choose Sign in to drive and deliver. Now you'll need to access your account by entering your account's phone number or email. Alternatively, you can also continue logging in with Google by choosing the Google option and Apple ID option. Select any one option of your choice. Here I'm going to type in my email address and click continue. Now you'll need to verify your email by entering the 4 digits code that you received via email in the text box. After typing in the email, it'll ask you to enter your phone number. Soon after you do that, you will be able to sign into your account. That is how you can easily log in as an Uber delivery driver using the uber.com website. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.